So I have a character trait for Nancy O'Neill. It's one out. So Nancy O'Neill, we found out, was one of the girls that, like, the popular girls that is always into this guy. Kind of always kind of mean to Hattie.
Yeah.
And my character trait for her is unfiltered. And I think she's unfiltered because like the other day, the first day, Adam was all nice to her, like, "Oh, hello, friends of Hattie. Would you like some lemonade? Would you like some lemonade?" And they said, "No, thank you." You know, and they were kind of like laughing at Adam, Jeanette and Nancy. But we're talking about Nancy. Right now, Adam and Hattie are walking by are walking by Nancy's house, and Nancy's out there. And then says, "Oh, would you like some breakfast sausage?" And then she's like, "No." She flat out says no. You know, nothing else. The book literally states that she says this. No. It's just really rude.
I
And
know. And like she also called him a freak.
a bit. She said she's a big freak.
Yeah, which is really mean.
Do you agree with me?
Huh?
Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it's really mean because, like, if you don't know someone, you don't call them a freak because you don't know if they're actually a nice person. And Adam was a nice person to her, but like, she's not to Adam.
And things that, and the worst part is that, like, and the reason why I say unfiltered is that even if I would have probably thought that Adam is a big freak. Honestly, honestly, at first glance I probably would think that, but can I at least hide it by being kind and just say, "Oh, no thanks, I already ate breakfast," or something, you know?
Yeah.
Couldn't I just be nice? I can't, and so that makes Nancy very unfiltered, which means that she can't filter what she says. She just says it, you know? It's
Yeah.
very mean.
I like what you said, and I want to add on to it that also that about like how Nancy's like where she just left it out. She doesn't even try to hold it back. So it's also, you know how like it's sometimes when you feel like you have everything, you just tend to not care about others, and that's kind of the way that Nancy is. So and like first time you would probably think that Adam is a freak. We're just walking around in his pajamas, no shirt, no pants, and you would probably think that he is one, but you don't let it out. And since he's being so nice to her, she's probably figured out that he's not a freak. So
Why can't she just say? Can't she just say no, thank you, or just say like why can't she do that? I don't get it.
yeah,
Those type of people, no one wants to be around.
yeah.
And I just want to see what happens in the rest of the story. I wonder if we're gonna encounter with Nancy and Jeanette again.
Yeah. Bye.